Photography is a simple and rewarding way for your young learners to use ICT to create fun and striking images. Whether they use an iPad or a stills camera doesn't matter. Photography is a great way to introduce the principles of creating striking images and can be applied across the whole curriculum. If you want to help your young people create better images, then teaching them about how to compose a good photograph is a great place to start. The golden rule is often known as the rule of thirds. Basically, you imagine a grid that breaks down your frame into 9 equal parts, like this. You then compose your photograph so that the things that are most interesting are positioned where these lines meet. And best of all, many devices allow you to use a ready-made grid when taking your photos, which will really help your kids to grasp this simple but effective method. Because photography is so quick, it is well suited to getting your pupils to learn by trial and error. Tell them the rule, then get them to take 5 photos that follow the rule. Look at the images with them and then give them feedback and get them to improve their work. Once they've got the idea of composition, you can challenge them with mastering exposure. Even though iPads and tablets do lots of the work for you in making sure your image is not too bright or dark, it sometimes doesn't make the right choice for your photo. You can help it by tapping on the part of the image that you want to be correctly exposed. It is often best to have the light source behind the camera rather than behind the subject. This helps avoid silhouetted faces or hazy images. Happy snapping!